Hi, financial correspondent Jen Rezac here with Calvin Getz of Strategy Financial Group. Now, people often look for higher returns, but Calvin, you believe that it can be even more important to focus on the resulting income rather than those investment returns. So tell us why.
That's right, because in retirement, Jen, there is no retirement without stable, predictable income that's adjusted for inflation over time. So if you had a $500,000 portfolio, for example, that could be subject to stock market risk, and it's not set up to provide that stable, predictable income. So protecting a portion of that portfolio and generating the income that you need so that you know you're going to have it for as long as you live or as long as both spouses live is really important.
It sounds like so many people focus on the nest egg and the returns, but really we need to change our focus a little bit, and that's what some of your resources can help us with.
That's right. That's why we put this kit together, including the Retirement Roadmap book, and it explains the phases that people go through in retirement: accumulation, preservation, and distribution. And those are the things that make planning for retirement different.
Right, and these are things we need to be thinking about before we retire. These can also be things that help us after we retire, right?
That's right. Or even if you've been retired a long time, you may not have put these tools in place. So I really recommend downloading the kit because it's going to help with these strategies.
Yeah, it's a really good first step. It's a good place to start to learn a little bit about how you can adjust your focus when it comes to retirement. Make sure you're focusing on areas like income instead of returns. Call, text, or go online and you can get Calvin's Retirement Roadmap Kit. Calvin, thanks so much for joining me here today.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching this week's Retirement Report.